Good morning, students! How are you today? Today we are going to learn something more about the sense of touch. But before we get started, we are going to review our poem. 1, 2, 3. With my eyes, I can see. With my ears, I can hear. With my nose, I can smell. With my mouth, I can taste. And with my hands, I can touch, and clap, clap, clap. Very good. And today we're going to use our hands and the sense of touch to learn something new. Every living creature on earth has either skin, scales, fur, or feathers. But what's this? Let me tell you that every living creature has the sense of touch, but not everybody touches with the same thing. For example, human beings like you and me have skin. Look, can you say skin? Very good, skin. Put on your sleeves like this. Very good. And you are going to say your skin. Can you touch your skin? Can you touch your skin? Excellent. The skin is smooth. And boys and girls, mothers, fathers, and the nieces, we all have skin. The skin protects our bodies. It helps us to keep warm in winter when it's very, very cold. And it helps us to keep cool in summer when it's very, very hot. So the skin protects our body. But look this. What animal is this? Yes, it is a rabbit. Do rabbits have skin like you and me? No, they don't. Rabbits have fur. Can you say fur? Fur. Rabbits have fur. And the fur is very soft too. Fur protects animals from different things. For example, from the rain or from bugs, little bugs. So this is the fur. Can you think of another animal who has fur too? Let's see. Cats have fur. Dogs have fur. Lions have fur. Very good. Listen, what animal is this? Yes, it is a duck. Do ducks have skin like you and me? No, they don't. Do ducks have fur like lions, dogs, and cats? No, they don't. Ducks have feathers, and feathers protect the duck. So feathers help ducks to fly and to swim. Let's think of another animal who has feathers too. Yes, the penguin has feathers. Very good. Let's think of another animal. Yes, the parrot has feathers too. Excellent. Look, here we have another animal. What is it? It's a fish. Very good. Do fish have skin like you and me? No, they don't. Do fish have fur like the lion? No, they don't. Do fish have feathers like the parrot? No, they don't. Fish have something different. They have scales. Can you say scales? Scales, very good. Scales are hard. And they come in different colors. Look, red and black, blue, green. Wow, how awesome scales are! So remember, every living creature on earth has either skin, scales, fur or feathers?